Welcome back to my channel. Having a clean look indicates a sign of well-dressed, but with less efforts. I am gonna show you some simple tips to look clean with less expenses. Looking clean include these things: skincare, clothing, and skill to presenting yourself. So if you want to look clean and hygienic, then this video is for you. Let's start. Skincare and body care. Follow a good self-care routine. It's make you feel hygienic and confident. After taking shower, use deodorant on your underarms and brush teeth. These are some important things. Follow 6 steps skincare routine. Number 1, cleanser. Number 2, toner. Number 3, serum. Number 4, eye cream. Number 5, moisturizer. Number 6, sunscreen. Follow this routine every day for clear skin. Hairs are an important factor of our overall look, so make it well. Whatever your hair length is, make sure it is trimmed and tied neatly. As your face needs skin care every other day, your body also wants to be clean and well-groomed. Limit bath time. Hot water and long showers or baths remove oils from your skin. Avoid strong soaps. Strong soaps can strip oil from your skin. Shave carefully to protect and lubricate your skin. Apply shaving cream, lotion or gel before shaving. Pat dry your body. Must apply moisturizer on dry skin. Nail care. Do you ever imagine a person sits beside you and he or she having dirty nails? Ew! That little things makes you look defined, so take care of your nails. Your nails should be clean and well painted. Don't use dark color nail paints, use soft and subtle colors. Clothing. Clothing can make your appearance good or worst. If you don't want to be overdressed but want to look even better, so follow these tips. Choose basic and subtle color clothes, which you can style in several ways. Wear whatever you want, but make sure your outfit should not be oversized or too tight. If your outfit is too loose, so adjust it with the help of belts, and if it fitted, then balance with layering clothes. Never wear without ironed clothes when you go outside. Makeup tips. Teen girls never do loud makeup, they always do light and natural makeup, which enhance their features with less product. Footwear guidance. Buy those kinds of footwear that you can mix and match in various outfits. Make sure that your footwear are comfortable and clean. Magic of accessories. Do experiment with your everyday look, wear minimalistic jewelry. You should wear speckles, belts and watches to enhance the look. Apply perfume on your hotspot like wrists, neck and underarms. Most important thing is to be confident in yourself. Don't be hurry, stay calm, always put a cute smile on face. Remember that looking clean don't means to stay always perfect, it's about changing something to feel confident in yourself. If you follow these tips honestly, then you get the best results. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.